Today we'll be making a kimchi soup using this pork. Kimchi here from H Mart. And this red pepper paste, also from H Mart. We'll start by adding our pork. I like to brown it a little bit, get it some extra flavor. Cooking, I'll add about 2 cups of chopped kimchi. And I'll also add about 2 tablespoons of the red chili paste. And here I'll try and eyeball 1 teaspoon of honey with a knife. Doesn't need to be exact. The recipe I'm following calls for water to be added immediately, but I'm going to let this brown a little bit more with all the ingredients in. Get a little more flavor. Now that it's browned a little more, I'll start adding in 5 cups of water. A little more water. And then we can start to mix it around here together. And I'll let this come to a boil here before I cover it. Also try and break up some of this pork. Likes to stick together after I brown it. You can see I let it boil over a little bit, so now I'll be turning down the heat and letting it cook for about another 25-30 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't boil over again. This will be fun to clean up. Alright, and this is where you would normally add tofu, if you have tofu. I don't have any tofu, so I'm going to skip to the next step, which is adding the green onions. So here we have our green onions. I'm going to slice these in. We're going to dramatically reduce the heat because the green onions don't really need to be cooked. And we're getting ready to serve. Now this dish is best served hot, and you can serve it over rice, or here we have some quinoa. And leave a comment below if you don't like quinoa and tell me what I should be using instead. Should get some of that kimchi. So now we have our bowl here. Let it cool down for a little bit and do a taste test. It's alright. Could be better. Probably if I used rice instead of quinoa, but yeah. If you like this video, leave a like below and leave a comment on what I should make next.